Hello everyone. Today we are looking at the Dauerhaft X79 Motherboard CPU combo, a budget-friendly option for those looking to build a desktop PC without breaking the bank. This combo comes with the motherboard and an Intel E5-2420 CPU, which has 6 cores and 12 threads. This is a decent amount of processing power for everyday tasks and even some gaming. The motherboard itself is made of PCB material, which should ensure stability and longevity. It also features an indicator light, which can be helpful for troubleshooting. The board uses DDR3 memory, supporting both normal and RECC server memory, but keep in mind that these cannot be mixed. The memory clock speed is 1333 MHz. For storage, the motherboard includes an NVMe PC1 E3.0X 4-channel M.2 slot, supporting 2280 form factor SSDs with theoretical bandwidth up to 6 GB. However, it's important to note that it does not support NGFF interface channel M.2 hard disks. So, make sure you have the correct type of M.2 SSD. Connectivity-wise, it features a gigabit LAN card for stable and fast network connections. The full board is designed with solid capacitors, which should contribute to the overall stability and lifespan of the motherboard. The CPU socket is LGA 1356, compatible with the included Intel E5-2420 CPU. The chipset is Intel X79. Overall, the Dauerhaft X79 Motherboard CPU combo is a solid option for those on a tight budget. The inclusion of the Intel E5-2420 CPU with 6 cores and 12 threads provides adequate performance for most tasks, and the motherboard itself has a decent set of features, including an M.2 slot for fast storage. Just be sure to use compatible DDR3 memory and an NVMe M.2 SSD.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.